Good afternoon, guys. Today's August 5th, 2022, Friday. What's the temperature here today?
90.
It's 90 degrees out in New York. We are going to a commercial building. I don't know if they have RTUs, rooftops, or if they're residential split systems at the commercial building. But it just says, the directions say, hold on, blowing warm air on the left side of the building. We installed unit 1 year ago. Oh, so it's a new unit and it's blowing warm air. That's not good. So we'll see what it is when we get there. Sun shower, we used to call it. A sun shower, right?
About that.
Yeah, the sun comes out right after the rain. So we got a split system. This went in last year, it says. It's a first company. I guess there's a carrier on the roof, but we're not getting anything. There's a float switch. We're not getting any air inside at all. So we're gonna start with the air handler. Let me come to the thermostat. Over here. Plans. So let me see my light, or a light, if your phone, whatever. This shit is full, bro. And it's tight up here too. Damn, B. So this float switch shut the system down. Brand new system, looks like to me. So hold your phone. You can see this dripped water all over their ceiling tile.
Right.
But their other unit closes, that other unit with the roof access closes at 5 p.m. We're gonna have to get the transfer pump.
What, that little type of shit?
Yeah, hold on.
That red and yellow? That red
Look,
and
see? Kicked right on. This shit closed. Or opened, actually.
Where are you getting water from?
Huh?
Think it's a coil that's uneven?
We gotta get a vacuum or the transfer pump. But this is full of water right here. It's no good. Let's go look at the history downstairs and find out what happened last week when she just said somebody else was here last week.
Can't check out your...
This shit's crazy, bro. You got wires just sitting in water. I know they're low voltage, but just sitting in water. This pan's bent. Nah, this is crazy. And I could hear the refrigerant, so let's check the line. Probably iced up. What she said, that filter didn't cause that to freeze. It's a fiberglass filter. Nah, that didn't freeze the system. This system's gonna freeze up, I bet you. It's probably low on charge. Who knows why? Give me a Gallo gun, a crazy Joe Gallo, please. Crazy Joe Gallo. What did he say in the movie Goodfellas? He was like, he started a war, one-man war, or something like that. That doesn't feel good. That feels like there's a leak in there, bro. Like a refrigerant leak.
Like oily.
Yeah, bro. It's oily. Like like the coil's leaking. This is straight up. Dude, that's refrigerant inside of here. I bet you this system's freezing up, and we have to get onto the roof, and that store's closed next door. All right, we got to get upstairs and find out our pressures.
What you guys find?
Full of water, so I have to go. No, so I have to go to the roof to check the refrigerant pressures. Here, come here. What's that? What'd you say? Yes.
Tell Joey I'm down here, so if he needs to leave, if he tells you, listen, I'm leaving, so I gotta lock up, just tell him I'm here, I'll lock up.
Thanks, Mark. I appreciate it. The story, bro. I got no game. It's just some girls know my story. All right, let's throw some gauges right here.
That one?
Yeah, right here. So, 2021. It's a Bryant, right? What is it, Bryant carrier?
Yes.
Bryant. What are we looking for? 10 degrees of subcool? All right, we let it run for 15 minutes. Let's see what it's doing. This shit's good, bro. So it's plus or minus 3 on the subcool. You got 8. It's calling for 10. This might have froze from that fiberglass filter, which didn't look that bad, bro. I mean, that's surprising, but we have to grab the vacuum right now, and we got to pull out that water out of that pan and let it run. Sounds poo-poo. Look, no caps. Could you grab me 2 caps out of my bag, please?
Oh, back up.
Yeah, it's fine. Now we're gonna run downstairs. We're gonna get the transfer pump, and we're gonna transfer the water from the secondary pan into the drain. Hey Joe, nice to meet you.
You too, stay low.
All right, guys, so we just cleaned the secondary pan, and I found the drain completely clogged. I couldn't get it on video. I had the lady standing under me. So I cut open the PVC and flushed it, and then I used a PVC union. But so basically that pan was backing up because of the PVC drain. So it was backing up, then overflowing into the secondary pan, which caused the float switch to open. But thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I appreciate everything, and have a great weekend. It's August 5th, 2022. Take care.